Hi, and welcome to Boss Moves and Benefits. We have got a short and sweet but special episode this time because we're not just going to be talking about what we do well and what we have been continuing to do well, but we've got something new and exciting that's coming to the CBC Health Insurance Marketplace for Costco members. We are re entering the individual market. That means we've got an exciting and very customizable shopping experience paired with some exclusive plan offerings, and it's not just for individuals as well. We've designed this in a way that we can offer something to group employers in addition to individuals. So, new and exciting. With that, I want to introduce my co presenters today. I've got Robin Ball, founder and CEO at CBC. We've got Jessica Potter, who oversees all things operations at CBC as well. Jess, I'm going to send it to you first. Talk about the launch of the individual program and kind of how you see that from a value standpoint.
I'm really excited to be moving back into this space and being able to help Costco members and their families find the best plans at the best pricing to meet their individual need. We really want to take the concept of health insurance and dental insurance and finding that benefit plan and making it easy. So now when folks go to the CostcoQuote.com website or they transfer there from Costco.com directly, they're going to see a newly built out section that are all things individual and Medicare. And really exciting about that quoting platform that allows an individual to enter in their information and they can shop both on and off exchange. And what that means for a member is if they're in a position where they might qualify for a subsidy or assistance on paying those premiums, we can show them those plans alongside the plans that don't have a subsidy on the marketplace. We're going to recommend to them plans that are going to supplement and complement the maybe medical plan they already have or they're looking to enroll in with some really great value offered plan options from Emeritus Dental. It's really, really exciting.
So, thank you for bringing that up, Robin. One of the things that we are required to do in delivering the CBC Health Insurance Marketplace for Costco members is create value, right? There's an expectation of member value. What are the top few things you think about in terms of value proposition for members relative to this offering?
So yeah, I think that it starts with the experience, Ken. Like the technology we feel very proud of. The ability that you can go on and enroll in and out of exchange. You can go all the way to the point of application on our platform. And then you are assigned to a strategic benefit advisor right at the point of quote. So you'll see them actually on the quote coaching you through text and language, but then they'll also follow up and have a little consultation with you to see if you're making the right decisions, if you're eligible for subsidy, if you might be the age to start looking at Medicare plans, Medicare Advantage plans, Medigap plans. So they're really going to get a holistic view, not just for you, but also for all of your family members. In addition to that, for small businesses, we have really aggressive rates for ICRA. We're going to go into ICRA in depth on future podcasts, but this gives a small group employer the ability to set what they want to contribute into an HRA. So maybe it's $200 a month, maybe it's $1,000 a month. And then they can give that to their employees. It looks like a credit card, a Visa card. And then they can use that to pay their premiums. They can use that for co-pays, for their deductibles. And so it's a very affordable, compliant program. And then they can allow them to go into the marketplace and have the same experience that we were just talking about on the individual plans.
So this is the individual coverage health reimbursement arrangement, wherein we are facilitating a contribution from employers, enabling them to go out and purchase an individual health plan that meets some ACA requirements. That said, there is an administrative component that we've offered, and that's where we've created some value. So, Jessica, will you describe the value in terms of administrative fees that we've established on behalf of Costco members?
Yeah, definitely. So we are partnering with Control Source to manage the funding arrangement for the employer. And what that means is they're the company that is going to receive the funds from the employer to reimburse the employees. They work with the employees to approve any claims, whether it's for their premium payments or if it's for benefit reimbursement for copays or deductibles. They're kind of the mouse on the wheel that makes all of that work. And because we have such a great partnership with them, what they're offering to Costco members is a reduction on the fee that's charged per employee per month in order to administer those plans. So many third party administrators or companies that are offering similar services will charge an employer between $20 and $50 PEPM. That's that per employee per month fee every month just to manage the funding and approval of claims for those ICHRA accounts. And Control Source is going to reduce that fee significantly for Costco members at $10 PEPM. So there's some great value with the administration and having to pay less out of pocket to have a trusted partner that can manage the funds, the claims, the reimbursements on the ICHRA program.
Awesome, Jess. I think one more thing, because we're running out of time. We really wanted to get this message out for you, is that we have a great plan with Emeritus Dental. And it's a product that you cannot even get in the individual market. It looks much more like the small group market. You want to hit what the differentiators are there?
Yeah, so there's 3 specific plans that have been customized by Emeritus for Costco members, for individuals and their families. And there's also an additional plan available just for our Washington members. But some of the highlights on what sets these plans apart is there is going to be next day coverage, credit for prior dental coverage. There's no waiting periods for the basic and major services, which is huge on an individual product. They have online access to see an EOB, to find a dental provider. They've transitioned to digital ID cards, so you don't have to wait to get your ID card in the mail. It's available right away online. There's also additional benefits like teeth whitening and hearing care. And so there's just all kinds of value that's bundled right into these plans that is going to be available exclusively to Costco members.
And one more thing, Ken, you talked about differentiators. We have year-round customer service through our contact center, phone, email, chat, fax, SMS. So various ways. So if any post-sale things happen, like you need prior authorization, you're trying to find a provider, you have a claim issue, we have full support year-round, which is unique to this marketplace.
New and exciting things happening at the CBC Health Insurance Marketplace for Costco members. Stay tuned to future episodes at Boss Moves and Benefits, where we'll be drilling down into all the individual value-driven components that we've created for Costco members. Find us wherever you pick up your favorite podcast.